Well, hello everybody. Well, we all know 2020 was quite a year, but it wasn't all bad, at least not for me. I had the opportunity to hunt whitetail in Ohio with my brothers and friends. As you can see, we saw lots of nice bucks, but you know, hunting archery has its challenges. I had the opportunity to harvest a gnarly 203-inch non-typical buck. You get to see it in regular time and then again in slow motion. I showed how this Luminoc did its job, and it helped us ensure that the shot was true. The most amazing thing, however, is watch this turkey duck this arrow as it passes inches from her head. This buck scored 203 inches, non-typical. And if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. I have lots of neat elk videos. Check it out, and thanks for watching.